Then it's settled. A pink elephant sale it is.
We can make money for Janitor Jay. We can do it an old-fashioned way. Let's put on a pink elephant sale.
Janitor Jay will be on his way with his new fishing pole down to Higgly Bay. Let's put on a pink elephant sale.
They say one man's junk is another man's treasure. That's how our sale will come together. We'll take donations and have a great big sale.
We'll take sofas, lamps, old anthills. We don't need them. But someone will. We're having a pink elephant sale. They say one man's junk is another man's treasure. That's how our sale will come together. What one person doesn't want, another might try. What doesn't fit you anymore, another person might buy. Let's take dinosaur saddles, jetpacks too, 10-foot chickens, pink kangaroos.
What doesn't fit me might fit you.
We're having a pink elephant sale. They say one man's junk is another man's treasure. That's how our sale will come together. We're having a pink elephant